Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Vaidya. Today's presentation is titled Python's nested list an example. So, what is a nested list? First, let's cover some engineering knowledge. To put it simply, it is an list placed inside another list in Python. We use them to represent 2D data structures like matrices, grades, or tables. For example, the syntax here looks like this. My list is equal to square bracket in which we have written a list and a list, and there is another list which contains 4 5 6, which is inside a singular list. So, next is problem analysis and indexing. We move to Python analysis and how we access this element using indexing. Python uses a zero-based indexing. When working with nested lists, the first bracket selects the inner list, which acts as our row. The second bracket then selects the specific elements inside the inner list, acting as our column. For visual example, calling my list 01 points to the number 2, as it is the second element inside the first list. Next will come designing of solution. Let's look at the designing of solution with a real world problem statement, calculating average grades for engineering students across multiple subjects. Our solution is to use nested lists to store student names paired with their grade array. The data structure groups like the name and scores together like Alice and her score. This design ensures scalability so we can easily add students or subjects. Readability for clear name grade pairing and maintaining through simple structure. The calculation logic here is average is equal to sum of grade by length of grades, which will give our answer. For complex problem solving, we use iteration techniques. Here is the code calculating the average score for each student. We use a loop for student in student records. Inside the loop, we have the name with the name equal to student. In bracket, the index is 0. Calculate the math with average is equal to student 1 plus student 2 by 2. And finally, the output result prints the statement. In conclusion, nested lists enables powerful multidimensional data organization. You can access elements precisely using row, column, index notation. Mastering these structures, indexing, and iteration patterns is essential for engineering success in simulations, data analysis, and algorithm design. Finally, always participate responsibly with clear documented code and ensure integrity. Thank you.